Chicken liver with mixed vegetables sauté. Onion, garlic, beans, sliced carrots, fish sauce, soy sauce. Set the pan and let it hot. Add cooking oil. Add the garlic. Then saute the garlic. Add the onion, then saute. Chicken liver sliced. Add the chicken liver and saute. Add fish sauce if sautéed. Mix well. Add soy sauce. Add grounded black pepper. Add the beans. Mix well. After 1 minute, add the sliced carrots. Mix and add little water to cook. Simmer for 3 minutes. It's cooked. Let's eat, guys. Are you still watching this video, guys? Did you like it? Please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Liver health benefits. Chicken liver is a great source of healthy protein, as long as you don't cook them with too much fat and salt. Chicken liver is one of the most nutritious foods because it contains protein, vitamins, and minerals. Chicken liver in your diet may improve your health if taken in moderation. Chicken liver is a good food to improve eyesight because it is a good source of vitamin A. Vitamin A is very important to promote healthy vision. It protects the eye surface or cornea. The vitamin A in chicken liver is called retinol. Vitamin A from chicken liver is one of the best anti-aging fighter that helps your skin reduces wrinkles. Vitamin A promotes smooth skin, eliminates dark spots, especially reduces wrinkles. Chicken liver is rich in vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is very important for the development of your blood cells. Vitamin B12 helps you healthy production offered blood cell which will helps you treat anemia. Anemia happens when hemoglobin level offered blood cells decrease. Insufficient hemoglobin, your blood can't able to transport oxygen to all parts of the body. Chicken liver combats malnutrition. Chicken liver is rich in vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin. Riboflavin is a micronutrient needed by our body for normal body tissues growth, repair, and development. Liver is rich in folate which will help you get some good night's sleep after a stressful day. A sound, peaceful sleep will stimulate the work of adrenal glands to produce more relaxing hormones. Your body will then get its time to relax and repair its cells and organs. Did you know that lack of riboflavin causes some abnormal tissue growth and the inability of our body tissues to repair itself quickly? If you feel soreness on your lips or tongue or cracks or peels, it means you suffer from lack of vitamin B2 deficiency. Chicken liver is rich in folate. Folate is necessary for pregnant women. Chicken liver contains pantothenic acid, which is a huge benefit for our body's adrenal system. Chicken liver promotes fertility and improves sex drive. Pantothenic acids from liver helps your body to fight stress. It may also helps you have a good sleep. Chicken liver boosts energy level. Chicken liver prevents memory loss like Alzheimer's disease. Chicken liver contains selenium, which is vital to support the work of thyroid hormones and endocrine system. This video presents is for educational purposes only. It is not intended for any medical purposes. Better consult your doctor. Thank you for watching.